You have already heard that apple cider vinegar is one of the healthiest ingredients you can use, as its consumption can provide magnificent health benefits, and it also has an extremely wide range of other uses. However, its consumption in the morning will provide the needed nutrients for the day and it will help you lose weight. We will reveal 10 important uses of this natural health elixir, which will convince you to consume it every morning. It prevents numerous diseases. Apple cider vinegar has powerful antibacterial properties, so it reduces allergies, breaks up the mucus in the body, and protects from various health conditions. It regulates blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Vinegar increases the concentration of insulin concentration and thus balances blood sugar and blood pressure levels. It is high in potassium. Potassium is vital for the body, as it supports growth, muscle building, the normal activity of the heart, and the transmission of nerve impulses. It balances pH levels. Due to the malice and acetic acid in its content, it effectively maintains a balance of the pH levels in the body. It detoxifies the body. Apple cider vinegar has strong antioxidant properties, so it efficiently eliminates toxins and waste from the body. It accelerates the weight loss process. It easily breaks down fat and helps the process of weight loss. It heals bruises and sunburns. Its application on bruises quickly treats them, while if you place a towel soaked in vinegar to the sunburn, it will soothe the discomfort. It gives shine and volume to the hair. Wash your hair with apple cider vinegar once a week after shampooing and it will make it voluminous and shiny. It treats skin conditions and removes blemishes. You should soak a cotton ball in vinegar and apply it to the affected area. Leave it to act overnight. It strengthens and whitens teeth. Use apple cider vinegar to rinse your teeth, and it will make them healthy, white, and strong.